Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to fix your game voice chat at mic if it's not working in R.E.P.O. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down control panel. We are going to find sound. Okay, make sure that you're under large icons and then click on sound. Down here, just click on recordings. Now you'll be able to see a ton of microphones in here. Now what you'll do basically is just go out and find the microphone that is working. Okay, so speak to your microphone, and then as you can see here, this one is working for me and this one as well. So what I'll do is basically set one as default. If you don't know how to set one as default, just click on the working microphone and just click on set as default. And then after that, open up your game and just change your microphone to this one if it got the settings. If not, don't worry, it will just automatically apply. You'll just have to make sure that your microphone is working. All right, that is it. That is how you fix game voice chat and mic if it's not working in R.E.P.O. or any other game. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.